How to prepare turmeric tea at home. Turmeric tea, also known as golden milk, is a warm and comforting beverage enjoyed for centuries in many parts of the world. This tea is made from turmeric, a spice that is popular for its vibrant yellow color, distinctive flavor, and numerous health benefits. Turmeric tea is a natural, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant-rich, and immune-boosting drink that can be easily prepared at home. In this video, we will discuss the step-by-step process of preparing turmeric tea at home and share some tips for making it more flavorful. Step-by-step guide to preparing turmeric tea at home. 2 cups of water, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 cinnamon stick or 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1-inch piece of fresh ginger, grated or sliced, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 cup of milk of your choice, almond, coconut, or dairy. 1. Boil water. Start by boiling 2 cups of water in a saucepan. 2. Add turmeric, ginger, and cinnamon. Once the water has come to a boil, add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1-inch piece of fresh ginger, and 1 cinnamon stick or 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon powder to the water. Stir the mixture well to combine. 3. Simmer for 10-15 minutes. Lower the heat and let the mixture simmer for 10-15 minutes. The longer you let it simmer, the more flavorful and concentrated the tea will be. 4. Add honey. If you prefer your tea to be sweeter, you can add 1 tablespoon of honey to the mixture. 5. Add milk and black pepper. Finally, add 1/2 cup of milk of your choice, almond, coconut, or dairy, to the mixture. Adding milk makes the tea creamier and adds an extra layer of flavor. If you like, you can also add 1-2 teaspoon of black pepper to the mixture to enhance the absorption of curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric. 6. Strain and serve. Once everything has been added, remove the saucepan from the heat and let the mixture cool for a few minutes. Strain the tea through a fine mesh strainer to remove any chunks of ginger or cinnamon. Serve hot and enjoy. Tips for making delicious turmeric tea. Use fresh ingredients. It's best to use fresh ingredients whenever possible when making turmeric tea. Fresh ginger and cinnamon have a stronger flavor and aroma than their powdered counterparts. Use high-quality turmeric. It's important to use high-quality turmeric powder to get the full health benefits of the spice. Look for organic turmeric powder that is free from additives and preservatives. Add black pepper. Adding black pepper to turmeric tea can enhance the absorption of curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, and increase its effectiveness. Add honey or other sweeteners. If you prefer your tea to be sweet, you can add honey, maple syrup, or other natural sweeteners to the mixture. Experiment with different milks. You can use any milk of your choice to make turmeric tea, such as almond milk, coconut milk, or dairy milk. Each type of milk will give the tea a slightly different flavor. Customize with spices. You can also experiment with different spices to add more flavor to your turmeric tea. Some popular additions include cardamom, nutmeg, and cloves. Double the recipe. Turmeric tea can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 3-4 days. So if you want to save time and have tea ready to go, you can double the recipe and store the extra in the fridge for later. Simply reheat the tea in a saucepan or microwave before serving. Use turmeric root. If you have fresh turmeric root, you can use it instead of turmeric powder for a more potent and flavorful tea. Peel and grate 1-2 inches of fresh turmeric root and add it to the mixture in step 2. Adjust the spice levels. Turmeric tea can be quite potent, so you may want to adjust the amounts of ginger, cinnamon, and black pepper to your taste preferences. Start with small amounts and add more as desired. Here are some of the potential health benefits of turmeric tea. Relieves joint pain. Turmeric tea may help alleviate joint pain and stiffness caused by osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Reduces inflammation. Turmeric tea contains curcumin, which has been shown to be a potent anti-inflammatory agent. Drinking turmeric tea regularly may help reduce inflammation and promote overall health. Improves sleep quality. Turmeric tea contains an amino acid called tryptophan, which is known for its sleep-inducing properties. Drinking turmeric tea before bedtime may help improve sleep quality and promote relaxation. Alleviate allergies. Turmeric tea has anti-inflammatory properties that may help alleviate symptoms of allergies, such as nasal congestion and sinus pressure. Drinking turmeric tea regularly may help reduce the severity and frequency of allergy symptoms.